Did you know one of the biggest discoveries in science started with a frog's leg? In the 1780s, Italian biologist Luigi Galvani found that applying an electric charge to dead frogs' legs could make them twitch. One day, though, a frog's leg jumped by itself when he hadn't used electricity. He had simply touched it with a knife. In fact, as Galvani discovered, living things do use electricity in their bodies. The brain and the nerves use electrical signals to send messages around the body. When electricity flowed into the frog's leg muscle, even after it was dead, it gave the muscle a signal that made it move. But back then, Galvani believed he had discovered animal electricity, an inherent electrical force within living beings. But his colleague Alessandro Volta disagreed. He thought electricity had flowed because two different metals, the knife and the metal tray the leg was on, had come into contact through the wet frog muscle. Galvani's theory wasn't entirely right, but his discovery was groundbreaking. It led Volta to create the world's first electric battery. Volta experimented with using two metals to make electricity. In 1800, he built a stack of zinc discs, silver discs, and pieces of cardboard soaked in salt water. When he connected the top and the bottom of the pile with wire, electricity flowed through it. This Voltaic pile was the first battery. In a battery, a chemical reaction between two metals and a liquid creates a flow of electricity. Luigi Galvani, the man who made dead frogs dance, and sparked a revolution in science.